What's up guys, Josh from Extreme Truck and Auto. Gonna do a real short video for you today. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be installing my trigger system into the Jeep because I told you guys I'd show you how to do that. And then also I'm gonna walk through the process of getting the system itself paired to your phone. Installing these trigger systems is stupid simple. You got power, you got ground, and then you have either ignition or run this to the battery depending on if you want the lights to only come on when the ignition's on or if you want them on all the time. So if you want them on only with the ignition, that's when you would run this to an ignition source. If you want them on all the time, just wire them up with the red wire. I'm gonna come right here to my fuse block. I'm gonna hook these two up to here, and then my ground is going to be right back over there. That's it, literally power ground. This thing's installed. Now, if you check out the system, you can turn on 1, 2, 3, 4. I already have all my lights run. Well, 3 out of 4 of them run to this. Fourth one still has yet to be decided. So I'm gonna get these wired in, hooked up to the channels that I want, and then we'll get into hooking your cell phone up to the trigger system. All right, so now we're gonna get into pairing the device to the application that Trigger has. Now, it's not supported by Google Play Store for whatever reason, so you go to their website, you'll download it from their Google Drive that they provided the link, you'll get it onto your phone. When you do, make sure you do not pair the Trigger through your phone, through the Bluetooth up at the top. You're gonna wanna do it through the application. So when we hit Trigger 4 Plus, we're gonna go to add device. Once we do that, we'll do the pairing code, which they tell you in the instructions is 0000. There's 4 of them. We're gonna confirm, and then I'm gonna enter in my new passcode. So when you enter in your new code, that's yours specific to your trigger system. You can connect up to 3 of the 4s, 3 of the 6s, or I believe 3 of their Bluetooth relays. Once you do that, you'll be able to turn your lights on and off through the app. You'll be able to dim, change the brightness level of them, and then I think in settings, you can change to what your switch functions do if you want it to toggle or momentary. So if I set 1 to momentary, sorry, I almost dropped my phone. Set 1 to momentary and I hit done. Now when I hit the button, it only does it when I am holding it, which is pretty cool. So now I'm gonna switch that back to toggle because that's what I want. Another thing you're able to do is you're able to strobe the lights like on the older system. I actually did just upgrade it. That's why you're getting the new video of how to connect to their new app. I wish they would get that figured out with the Google Play Store, but it is what it is. And also while it's strobing, you can change the brightness, which is a pretty sweet function. So now you're able to control it with your phone or the switch. So if you look, I turned on 1, which encases my fog lights, then it will automatically activate it on my light or on my phone. When I turn it off, it shuts it off on there. So that's it guys, that's how you install your Trigger 4 Plus system or your 6-shooter. And how you get the app onto your phone. I do find it a little weird that for us Android users, it's not on the Play Store, but that could be due to licensing issues. So if you guys want to get it onto your phone, make sure you go to their website, click on the little Android guy through your phone. It'll automatically download it, walk you through that process, and then just follow the steps on their application. Just make sure the way you connect to it is through their app and not through your actual Bluetooth. But that's it guys. If you want, go ahead and throw me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this system, and I will catch you guys on the next one.